Ever heard of the term blue zone? Well, blue zones are areas around the world that have a dense population of people who are 100 years old and older. Researchers spent a lot of time with them trying to understand what has allowed them to live a long-lasting and happier life. Well, some of these results may surprise you. I'm Thomas Edwards, creator and author of The One-Up Effect, helping top performers with families have fun becoming their best self through purpose, play, passion, and performance. In this video today, I'm going to share with you 5 of some of the interesting results that researchers have found that show how you can live a long-lasting, healthier life. Dan Bettner is the author of the Blue Zones Challenge, a 4-week plan for a longer, better life. And he actually found some really interesting things that allow people who are older to continue living a healthy, happy, and really active life. Oftentimes we feel like as we get older, we're not going to be as active, we're not going to be as happy, and maybe in some cases that may be true, but for these people who are living in what's called these blue zones, not only are they happy, but there's no stopping them. They're super active and there is no sign that they're deteriorating in wellness either. And so I looked and I thought that some of these ideas were really, really interesting and I wanted to share them with you. The first one is they go on a lot of social walks. And I personally love this. I love doing walk and talks, whether I'm with that person or if I'm on the phone and connecting with people. There's something magical about walking, activating your body, your brain, your heart, and connecting with someone. Usually after a conversation, I'm so motivated, I'm excited, I'm happy, and I have this really profound sense of connection to the world and my purpose. And oftentimes these things coming together produces a happier, long-lasting life. The second one is tending to an edible garden. Now, I personally have not ventured into gardening, but my wife has. And I've watched my wife really start from the seed level, literally, trying to understand how to grow fruits and vegetables. And she finds it to be a really rewarding experience. And I personally have definitely experienced the benefits of having your own fruits and veggies that you grow yourself. But I do believe that something like this, growing something of your own that's of the earth, can have some profound benefits to your connection to the world, but also living a healthier life by eating more fruits, eating more vegetables, and more importantly, having your own investment, your hands and your energy and your sweat into creating those things as well. The third thing, sharing laughter with loved ones. I don't feel like I need to explain the importance and the benefits of laughing, but I noticed that when I'm with my friends and I'm having a good laugh with them, it really amplifies the experience. It starts to create deeper meaning, but it also allows those experiences to stick around. I can remember many moments in my life where I've had some really, really good laughs. Even thinking about some right now makes me laugh. And it's just an immediate immune booster, mood booster, stress reducer. And these are the type of things that when you're able to have on a regular basis can lead to a happier, long-lasting life. The fourth thing is gathering for parties. I thought this was really interesting because I'm thinking to myself, like, how are 100-year-olds like getting down? In Greece, they have frequent gatherings where they're getting together as late as 10 p.m. and they're having an amazing meal and they're dancing with one another and they're partying until 10 a.m. I mean, for me, those were the days that I used to have when I was in my early, even to late 20s. I can't fathom having that type of day, but apparently that is a way to live a long-lasting, healthy life. And the fifth thing, which I thought was really random, was playing pickleball. If you don't know what pickleball is, it's kind of a hybrid between badminton and tennis. And I personally play pickleball. I enjoy it. I think it's super fun. Pickleball keeps you physically active. And there's something about the partnership between two people playing this game that is calming and almost borderline therapeutic in a way that allows you to stay connected while still being physically active. But what I've noticed about a lot of these things, if not all 5 of these things, is that it requires you being with other people. And I find that to be one of the most important keys to living a happy and long-lasting life. This is what I think. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this list. What do you think about the randomness of this list? Pickleball? Really? Like, and what are some things that you're practicing now that you feel are true when it comes to living a happier and long-lasting life? Comment below. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe, hit that bell, get notified when we put out videos, which happen almost every single day. And if you found this video interesting or inspiring, please share this with someone who might find this interesting or inspiring too. I'd love to hear what they have to say and get them in on the conversation. And if you'd like to learn the exact process and science behind leveling up your health, wealth, self, family, marriage, your career, your business, have fun, reduce stress, and not feel the need to sacrifice personal happiness or professional ambition, you can go to thomasedwardsjr.com. Once again, this is Thomas Edwards reminding you to make life a game that you can win and have fun playing. Until next time, I'll see you around.